You want the front? Yeah, go ahead. Grab that. There you go. There you go.
Thank you. First time riding a Tesla.
No worries, man. Tell me you're somewhat excited, though.
I am.
Okay, cool. That makes it worth it then. Navigate to royalty cults.
Yes. Cuts.
Cuts? Wait, let's
No
see.
Colts. No Colts here.
Are you sure?
Not today.
Not today? Maybe tomorrow?
Yes.
Maybe on the weekend.
I found it. It speaks stupid, which is good for me, so.
Wow, that's a big screen.
Yeah,
She
they're
said.
huge.
I had to go there.
It shows like the people walking. That's so crazy.
Shows everything. So the car's going to drive us now.
Wow.
We're going to turn it on and let the car drive us now.
That's crazy.
How far ahead can it? It's kind of
How far can it see?
Yeah.
crazy. It's like seeing at the street all the way over there.
Yeah.
Hey.
See how well it does. Right? Spontaneous explosion.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. They're waiting for you. You gotta go. You gotta keep going. They're waiting for you.
Even stop at a stop sign and stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm not touching the pedal.
Wow, this is
Now, I may help it on this because
kind of scary.
Yeah, like the timing of
you
like,
need
when
to
you go.
get out there, buddy. Okay, we can see. All right, you can go.
Wow. This is crazy.
I figure another 5 years, I won't be in here driving you around.
Yeah, right.
A year ago, I used to do 90% of the driving in Seattle, and now I just let the car do about 90% of the driving.
You're just here for the experience too.
Huh? I'm just here for the experience. I'm just here to be here, you know?
Yeah. This is the real driver. You're just like a
Yeah, I'm just a pretend driver.
Exactly.
I'm the in-case driver.
yeah emergency.
Yeah, I'm the emergency
Driver.
takeover driver. It's not perfect. I will say that. Like I said, it does. I let it do 90% of the driving in Seattle, so it does make mistakes here and there and whatnot. But it's gotten really good.
I know. It's crazy.
We're gonna go catch up to this car ahead of us and ask him to race. I've done that to a couple of PDs in Seattle. I'm like, hey, you want to race? And one of them goes, nah, you'd beat us. I started laughing. I go, no, I wouldn't. You cheat and turn on the little flashy lights.
True.
And then he started laughing. You need to get out there. There we go.
It's crazy.
Crazy, huh?
It's insane. It's so like fluid.
Mm-hmm.
You be doing this on the freeway too, just like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's actually, so when I first got my first Tesla in 2019, all it would do was just adaptive cruise control on the freeway. It would just lane keep,
Yeah, just keep.
Yeah.
maintain the speed, don't hit the vehicle in front, right? That's all it would do. And then as they kept on getting more and more and more, like, you know, it would get better and better and better. And so,
Well, can this go through lanes now, like swap?
yeah,
Wow.
it'll swap and change, and you can have it set to like how aggressive you want it to be.
Seriously.
So chill, standard, hurry.
Oh, wow.
I've
That's
never
crazy.
used hurry. That's California driving right
True,
there.
for real.
You know, he was turning. Good job being scared, but
Yeah.
turning. See how cautious it got because it saw the car move.
Yep.
I wish more drivers act like this car.
Oh yeah.
You know, I heard if you're ever in a rush, you can just cut off a Tesla because it'll stop.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, you don't even need to cut it off. Just turn on your signal.
That's what I heard. If you go on the freeway and you go in front of a Tesla and you put on like your
Yeah, this turn signal.
Yeah.
It'll just let you in.
wow.
It'll just back off and let you in. It don't
That's
care.
so funny.
It don't care. It's not in a hurry. Unless they have it in
That's
hurry
what happened.
mode.
You hurry, just swerves out.
Cuts you off. Okay, so it's gonna wait for this.
Pedestrian across.
Mhm.
It starts going.
Runs them over.
Yeah. Enjoying the back seat, Joey?
Yeah. Oh, nice one.
There's a lot of room.
There really is. Yeah, that's crazy.
because there's no hump down there because there's
Yeah,
no
it's just
transmission, just flat down there, right? So
Yeah.
you feel like your feet have room.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is we are slightly sitting a little bit more forward than you would be in a traditional car because no engine, right?
Mhm.
Oh,
True.
You know, all the batteries are underneath us, and I've got a trunk up there that I have all my cleaning supplies in.
wow.
This is gonna be the footage that'll hit YouTube. I'll put this trip up on YouTube because it did a really good job.
This is fire. Oh, is it recording? My name is Hector Morales. So.
Right here. This is record. That's the
Oh.
GoPro's recording. It's